Hello, Mr. Swapnil and Mr. Nisarg. Good evening.
Yes,
Are you able?
good evening.
Yeah, good. I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. I think Swapnil and Nisarg, you are coming first time for this discussion.
Uh, Last time I have joined, but not for one video, for few minutes. So,
Okay. You joined and you left, I think. Right. Okay. Swapnil,
yes.
you also first time, no? Swapnil, you are on the mute. I think Swapnil is not. Okay, Nisarg, can you introduce yourself, please? Nisarg.
Basically,
Yeah.
I am. I have basically I have 3 years experience in static equipment design,
Okay.
and I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Okay. You are working with.
Yes.
What actually issue you want to
Yes.
discuss today? Do,
I want to take part in the discussion, not want to discuss on
okay.
particular topic.
Okay. You want to involve some of the any issues maybe discussed in. You want to join that one, right?
Yes.
Okay. 3 years experience. You are working presently on which equipments and that one?
I have experience in overall like vessel, reactor, heat exchanger, column, tank. Overall experience in 3 years. In, like vendor drawing review, TBA, I have done all the things. But
Oh,
in designing part, mostly I have done heat exchanger, reactor, and vessels. Column, so far I have not done designing. I have reviewed the design calculation and all that, but not design.
okay. So you done mostly heat
Hello,
exchanger
am I
and
audible?
yeah, you are audible. So you mostly done heat exchanger and vessel and reactors, not column, not
Vessel,
yeah.
reactor. I have done column designing. I have not done, but I have reviewed drawings and design calculations.
Okay.
So I have idea about column also, see how it designing and all that. But I have not so far I have not getting any chance to design the column.
Okay. Also, you reviewed tank
I
document
have
also.
done tank part APA 650 tanks.
Okay. Tank parts means
Yes, yes. I
tank.
have done tanks APA 650 tank.
Okay.
Even rectangular tank. What?
Okay. Even rectangle tank also you done.
Hello.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, I have done
Yeah.
one two, not many, but I have done one two rectangular tanks.
Design you done or you done the review
I
of
have
the.
idea right related rectangular tank design. No. Design. Rectangular tank design.
Okay. Rectangle tank design you done. Yeah. How much pressure it contain in that one?
Yes. That was atmospheric.
Okay. Atmospheric tank. Okay.
Atmospheric.
Okay. So in this API tank, did you reviewed any of this vent calculation? API in that one there is a vent in API tanks. There are some vents are connected. Did you review that vent calculation?
Vent.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is some specific requirement for vent and that one.
No, I have, there is some standards in. Yes, I understand that for bird and all that.
That bird screen is there. That is.
So, like pressure, not gone. No. Sorry. Pressure goes beyond the limit at that time when designing. That's what you want to say, na?
Yeah. I
That
want to say.
pressure goes beyond the specific limit.
Yeah.
Hmm.
In that case,
But
what?
for that we have some standards when designing and all that. So we.
Yeah. If pressure goes above, then what you used to do? Okay, what standard you
At
used?
that time, vent is working now. For vent,
Yeah, for vent.
for for atmospheric we do API 650. Above atmospheric we do API 620
Okay,
pressure for pressure tank, and then we consider it in a semi section if some 18 kPa or I don't I exact figure, but beyond 18 kPa we design it as per ASME, right now.
yeah, yeah. So, so actually, I am asking about something the vent calculation, because vent is something different calculation need to be done for inflow and outflow of that whatever liquid you are filling and you are taking out for that. Did you review it something like that?
I think in API 650 we like in tanks of the nozzle parts. We basically we have some standards. So basically, accordingly we do nozzles. We just do cell thickness, bottom plate thickness, roof thickness, and all that only in our software.
You
Nozzle part we use standards. So you have idea how to design bed pass?
uh, yeah, you are asking something.
So I'm asking that do you have any idea how to design? Can you explain it?
Yeah, this inflow and outflow of this tank, no, that normally designed using API 2000. And API 2000 they given some guidelines when the size of that vent what need to be considered when the flow, depending on the flow, means how much inflow is coming and how much outflow is going, like. So when inflow and outflow depending on they suggest the some of the size, only that size we have to consider the tank venting. So if that size, if it doesn't meet, then that pressure may increase inside the tank, and that may lead to collapse. That
So you are saying. So you say that the thickness of pipe or for vent or all that is according to API 2000,
pipe also, but the venting, the size of that venting,
right? Pipe CD
pipe as well as the size of that vent.
means ID.
Yeah, ID,
you
ID.
mean to say.
Yeah, that ID need to be considered to sufficiently flow this.
Means vent basically the uh, but ID and all that is design based on process. So that that information is based on process data sheet, na?
Yeah, process data sheet, but sometimes it comes to mechanical
Am I
also.
right?
Yeah, it's many times it's comes to mechanical also. This vent, the sizing of this as per API 2000, we need to do this mechanical. Which software you used to?
Generally, what we do is we provide the thickness of. We have tank 2013 software.
Which one? 10 2000. Tank 2000. Yeah, you have Tank 2000
Yes,
software.
tank.
Okay.
Yes, 2013.
Okay. Tank. It's a EME tank or it's a E tank?
So a meeting.
EME tank. Okay.
I want to ask one question. If suppose some non-standard nozzle is mounting on horizontal vessel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like its ID is 325, and on that nozzle some heat exchanger is directly mount.
Okay. Yeah, you can know.
Yes. I am saying that there is one horizontal vessel.
Mm-hmm.
On that vessel, there is one nozzle. That's ID is 325. That is, I think, non-standard nozzle.
Okay.
So on that nozzle, some heat exchanger directly mount.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Same size.
Okay.
So what we do is I think we do separate that nozzle design and flange design.
Yeah, we will do the separate one. We take that one as a.
You understand my question?
Yeah, I understand your question. We do it is separate because that all the loads and that coming on that one.
So
We'll,
hmm.
so we will take that as.
But in like in separate design, we do as non-standard flange design. No. But how to add load on non-standard flange? Like some heat exchanger loads coming and all that. No, we do as per ID and all that. We can design it. But adding load on non-standard flange.
There is some movements and forces are available in that.
My question is how to add, like generally what we do in other nozzles, we do as per WRC 297 and 107 as per and adding load as per APA 660 and all that. But in non-standard design, non-standard plans, how to add load?
This 197 and this 107, these loads come. This is on analyzing when the nozzle on the shell and that one shell or on the dish. So you will analyze these nozzles. But when we take this,
the body that nozzle is on cell part, horizontal vessel, and on cell part that is this nozzle. But if I want to evaluate that load, I can design it in separately in body flange and all that, nozzle and body flange.
yeah, if you design also in separately.
But if I have to add some loads like heated.
Yeah, but there is some other option also is available. Yeah.
Which options?
Like in heat exchanger design, if you see, they are given the stackable heat exchanger design. So if your heat exchanger is stack, means one heat exchanger is resting on other heat exchanger.
What? Stackable?
Yeah, means there are two heat exchangers. One is horizontal and other on that nozzle another heat exchanger is loaded.
This is not two heat exchanger. This is vessel, and on vessel that is heat exchanger mount. So I have to design the vessel nozzle.
Yeah, one option is that whatever the loads you will getting, that loads you have to just transfer to this one, this nozzle. And
Body flange.
yeah, you are asking body.
But that is my question, that how to add in non-standard flange. How to add load on non-standard flange. Like in standard flange, we have some options that we can add as per APA 660. We have dialog box and we can go there and add. But in non-standard flange, how to add loads?
There is some in PVL, there is option to adding moments and forces. You might be seen the additional moments and forces that we can add on any of the part.
Non-standard.
Yeah. So by using that dialog box, we can add this loads and moments.
Non-standard flange.
Yeah, on the non-standard flange. On even non-standard flange, or even if you any other parts also, if you add, you can add that. Even lugs are there, even some additional some attachments are there. You can add these movements and forces by using that dialog box. Vishnu, can you introduce yourself,
No,
please?
if any other wants to share some.
Hello.
Yeah, Vishnu, please.
Yeah, I didn't understand what you asked. The voice was breaking.
Just I asked, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. My chemical and oil and gas factories.
Okay.
So basically, I look after design and part of production.
Okay. So you specifically in the manufacturing and you look for the designing, right?
Yes.
And how many years experience you have?
I I started my journey in 2013.
Okay.
I worked as a piping engineer for 5 years.
Okay. And in static, how many years?
After that, static from 2016.
Okay. Means 16, 4 plus 3. Means around 7 years you are in this static.
Yeah, 7 years.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Vishnu, do you
Not
have-
7 years, I think 10 years, no total.
Yeah, total.
Static 5 to 6 years.
Yeah, total 10 years, including piping. But static
Yeah.
is 7 years. Okay. So,
Yeah.
do you have any queries or any issues you want to discuss or you want to share?
Yeah, actually, I have some queries.
Yeah.
But in this field, what do you feel?
Future is good, but now there are many softwares are coming, so we have to be familiar with those softwares. Then only it will be useful.
Right. No, in ground level, the issue which I facing, apart from the software side,
Uh-huh.
is the manpower issues.
Yeah.
Many times we discuss like what will happen after 5 years. It's a big issue.
Yeah, manpower due to this softwares are coming, so not needed much manpower, and then that's going on.
No, like in manufacturing, not in the design stage.
Okay, manufacturing.
Like
also.
once we even give, the manufacturing lead times is increasing because of non-availability of labor.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Because automation is still limited, no, for our field. That's why.
Yeah. Manufacturing there is limited. But now, due to this, many industries are opened with many new facilities or new improved technology, and that one is it not helping us to means
It is
multiply?
helping, but still, like core field workers, it is very difficult to find. For example, a fitter.
Uh-huh.
Others we can find. Personal experience, it's very difficult to get a fitter.
Okay. Uh-huh.
One of the issues. Other we all can manage. Like even if we reduce the design calculations and all, like the work which we used to do, then we can do it in one day, no, with PV light and all.
Yeah.
But the principle of working, completing vessel,
Mm-hmm.
I feel it will increase in the coming years because of the very labor issues. Like ground rule, it is very difficult to find workers if suddenly they go, especially from the month of March to May.
The year end means financial year end, they'll maybe shift that one.
Yeah. And software side, it is very good. Like many softwares are coming, no?
Yeah.
And like ease of using the software is increasing day by day.
But you are in the design, no? You need to worry about the manufacturing.
No, I don't need to worry. But sometime I have to handle the clients also, no? So I know the project duration and all. So I understand, like whatever we give no project to complete that, it is very difficult, and there is a lead time also after the order. Once we do the drawing and all, no, revision 2-3 maximum, my work is over. But till the time, I'm just saying that both speeds are different. Like manufacturing is like it is getting little bit slower now, purely because of labor. Other things are evolved, so there is not much technology which is helping manufacturing side. Design and all, it is so much advanced now.
Yeah. Manufacturing as well as the supply
labor
also.
intensive work.
Yeah.
Just that my summary I'm pointing, it's still labor intensive field.
And also the supply side also maybe delaying, no? Because they also require advance.
The perfect team, they handle it. So that is okay. But the core field, like in many companies, no, like for example, like any big companies, what happening is that they have a core team.
Okay.
I'm talking about very big firms. They do not have any issue.
Okay. Because robotic welding and that one is going on. Maybe that is additional, we can say. Now automated welding and automated this are going on now.
Yeah, that is now coming, automated welding.
Yeah, only the fitting issue maybe in the fitting.
That will be always there. That is, I think, almost not possible for bigger vessels, no?
Yeah. Rolling will be done with automated roller maybe.
That also it is there.
Yeah, but only the
Descent is also manual always.
Yeah, descent also is manual, but there are some automated descent formation also they started now. Depending
but
on
that is also limited, sir. I was having some inquiry. It is up below, I think, 1 meter diameter.
Below 1 meter diameter.
spinning with they use spinning method.
Okay. Spinning by using spinning there. But normally descendant that formed by pressing, no?
Yeah, that is always manual still now. Pressing method is manually done.
Okay. So
I visit some sites and see how they do, and so from that I understood it. That is fully manual.
Okay. So you also involve some tank also, no? Tank designing and that.
Yeah, tank also we do, no? Tank.
Okay. Tank designing as per
Mostly we
API.
are into reactors and all. There the ASME field, like they also don't need, but some clients need it. Some clients are more concerned about the process part. Like from years they have the same design. I hope you get my point. Like
Yeah. Repeated same design and that.
yeah, repeated. So they don't need to do design validation. For agitator, they sometimes do the design.
Oh. So tank means it's not API tanks, no? You're talking about reactors.
No API tanks, not API.
Only reactors and vessels you done.
Yeah, reactor vessels, column and all we do.
Okay. Column also you'll.
An API tank also, I think I had one Excel sheet. I don't know. Like 1 year back, I had got Excel sheet from net. It was good.
Okay. But you didn't use that any of the project, no?
No, I didn't. I had cross verified one design once.
I think he is disconnected. Okay, Nisarg, do you have any more questions?
Yes, he is disconnected.
Yeah.
No, right now I don't have any more questions.
You also involve some of the manufacturing.
Life experience. Sharing some. No. Basically, I have started my career in 2020.
Okay.
Before that, I was doing some government exam preparation. So I have late start my career.
So you only in the design field only.
Yes, I am only doing design.
Okay.
I don't have some manufacturing experience. Like sometimes I have experience like I encountered that part only while the later on after the vendor drawing approve some vendor related query comings, and that time I encountered some manufacturing related processes more. You understand my
I
point?
had got a call in between, so this telegram got cut.
Oh, okay. So you have to.
Sir, then I will join in the next session. Is it okay?
Yeah, not an issue. Just I want to. I think we are discussing about tank. Actually, we have some queries related to some tank. That's why I am asking.
Okay.
Actually, this reactor and that one. You will do a process design also in that one, means selection of blades and this one.
That we can do.
Okay, selection of what size blade, what thickness need to be considered, and what.
Yes. It is like 60-40%, sir. 60% we already get the drawings. 40% we only get the data. For that, for projects we do the design.
Okay. So you have some software or you have some Excel sheets to evaluate?
Sheets are there, sir. Software is not there, and for where we have to calculate stress and all, no. That time our company outsources it to those who know. Like they use Caesar, some use SolidWorks.
Okay.
Because the software for agitator.
Please disconnect.
Again, he disconnected.
Software they have, na. There is no like hard and fast rule for softwares for agitators.
Okay, but
we have some basic rules and some basic principles we have to follow.
Okay, like can you just
like
one example? Can you? Is it okay?
Example like, sir, for example, see the flow when the client gives laminar flow or turbulent, we can directly select agitator based on that. Like for they have a turbulent, then we have to give baffles on all the sides. If they do not want turbulence, then we can avoid the baffles. Then the flow will be more laminar. And if there is a sparger, like some high-speed mixers, then we have to give purging via nitrogen or any air. So many principles are there, sir. Mostly they have developed on the basis of like their experience only. Gate colo, like that.
Hello Vishnu, can you explain why in during sparger they have to give N2 purging and all that?
See, if sparger is basically they are doing the gas and liquid mixing. Right. So when they give the nitrogen, they have some concept about purity and all. No, it is not necessary that only nitrogen. They give other gases also. But mostly in parties, the clients they give nitrogen as a purging gas, and they insert nitrogen through that sparger. Mostly it is present in hydrogenators and all. Hello, can you hear me?
Okay. Viscosity factor. Yes, we can hear you. Viscosity factor also main factor while the agitator design, right?
Viscosity is there. Density is the one factor. Then one more main factor is it depends on what is the mixing. It is liquid gas, only liquid, or slurry type. That all factors are there. These factors are mainly important for the load calculation of motor.
Okay, so if we give this means this the
like agitator in white agitator selection, it is not agitator selection. It is not necessary this factor. Like anchor agitator, PPT, some criteria like some for 5,000 viscosity, some is for beyond 10,000 or all that. Hello. Hello, Vishnu.
Vishnu, you are on the mute. Vishnu is, I think he's speaking with somebody. Maybe he kept mute here. He left. Okay, what today? Bye. See you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.